Hello everybody, Jiggy Time now, and welcome back to a new video. I got this idea off of a girl called Hello Mathy on the internet. I will link her video below if you want to go check her out. We're going to be making galaxy in a jar. So you're going to need a mason jar with a lid for this project. Excuse me. You're going to need some acrylic paint of your choice, whatever colors you think a galaxy should be. You can do any number of colors. I'm going to do 4. I'm going to do sapphire blue metallic. I don't think the metallic's going to show up, but this is the colors I chose. I chose metallic sapphire blue by Folk Art. I did color shift emerald flash by Folk Art. I did color shift blue violet flash by Folk Art, and I'm going to do sparkling fuchsia by metallic Folk Art. Those are the 4 colors I'm going to use. You're going to need some water, some containers of waters, and a stir stick. You're going to need cotton balls. You're going to need some glitter, some silver glitter. And you're going to need some stars, some little metallic or white or iridescent stars. You may also need like a little pokey stick, like a little skewer or something like that. You may need that as well. And if you want to seal your your lid to your container when you're done, you might want to use some kind of glue or maybe hot glue or something to seal it so that it won't pop open. You can do that as well. So you might need some glue for that. Other than that, everything is great, and we'll go ahead and get started. I'll put you down. Okay, first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take your cotton balls, and you're going to want to pull them apart a little bit to kind of fluff them. And just get you a good little pile going here. Just pull your cotton balls apart a little bit to fluff them. And set them aside. Then you're going to want to take your bowl of water or whatever, and you're going to want to start mixing your paint. You want to put paint in. It's going to depend on how much water you're going to need and how much paint you're going to need, depending on how many colors you're going to do. But what I'm going to do is this doesn't have very much paint in it, so I'm just going to pour some water in here and mix up the paint, a little bit of paint that's left in it. You want to go ahead and mix as much paint till you get the desired color that your water is going to be, because that's what's going to be going in the cute cotton balls to color the cotton balls. So when the color of the water is the color that you want for the jar, then stop adding paint. And you're going to do that with all your colors. This is going to be the end of this paint color as well. Okay, once you get your colors mixed up, you take a mason jar and you put some cotton swabs in it. Poke it down the bottom. Use your little poker tool, smash it down to the bottom. I'm using 4 colors, so I'm going to do 1/4 of the jar of cotton swabs. Try to get pretty evenly spaced. You're going to dump in some glitter. You're going to dump in some stars. Then you're going to decide what sequence that you want your colors to be in. Once you've decided that, you're going to pour in a little bit, really slowly at first. Just kind of pour it in. until it saturates the cotton. It's too much, pour it out. Rearrange your cotton if you need to. Too much liquid, go ahead and pour it out. And you're going to put your next layer of cotton. And since it smashes down so much when you put it in, you're going to want to fill this up quite a bit. Almost to the top. Push it down a little bit. Repeat, put some glitter. Put some stars. Put your next layer. Pour it slowly. Allow it to soak down. Turn your cup around, make sure you're getting it evenly. That's about good. Pull out the extra. Put your next layer of cotton. There you go. Galaxy in a jar. Run some glue along the inside of the rim and then screw it on and you're done. I have this cute little chalkboard tags, little circular tags that I got from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to take one of them, a little circular one. I'm going to take me a, let's see, what color? Let's go for this blue. It's baby blue metallic marker. And I'm going to put, I wrote, I love you to the moon and back on the tag. And I'm just going to slip this tag right over the mouth of the jar, like so. And then we have this cute little saying on it, I love you to the moon and back, on this jar. And there you go. You have a cute little thing you can give to somebody. Pop one of our little flowers or something that we've done on the top of the lid from one of our future or past DIYs. You put a little flower on top and there you go. Or a butterfly. And there you go. You have a cute little gift for somebody. So there you go. Thank you very much, everybody. That was the tutorial for today. Have a wonderful night. See you later. Hey, while you're at it, why not subscribe to the channel? Leave a comment down below. Let me know how you're doing today. Leave me ideas that can help boost my channel ratings or ideas for future content on the channel. Click the notification bell so you know when I have new videos out or when I go live. Share my videos on social media outlets such as Facebook or Instagram, so that way my videos can reach more people and I can grow my audience. Click the like button below. That really helps my channel to help reach more people on YouTube. Supporting me is really great and it helps me grow my channel. I'm not a very big channel at this time, and it's really important to me that I get support from fellow YouTubers. I really appreciate you all. I really appreciate that you take time out of your busy day to view my videos and to spend time with me on a daily basis. I try to put videos out on a daily basis so you have something to watch and something to entertain yourselves with. I try really hard to make my channel a positive place for people to come and have fun and be entertained. So I try really hard to make things enjoyable for people. So if you support me, I would really appreciate it. Thank you so very much for your time. Have a great day, and we'll catch you on the flip side.